Every world-class tire begins with one essential ingredient: premium natural rubber, carefully selected before production even begins. Before production begins, every batch of natural rubber is tested for purity, moisture, and consistency to guarantee maximum tire performance. Approved rubber is blended with carbon black, silica, and specialized compounds inside a powerful industrial mixer to create the perfect tire material. The hot rubber compound is cooled, flattened into uniform sheets, and prepared for the next stage of tire construction, ensuring perfect thickness and consistency. High-strength steel wires are coated with rubber to create the tire's internal reinforcement, giving every tire exceptional strength, stability, and durability. Next, high-strength textile fabric is bonded with rubber to create flexible reinforcement that helps the tire absorb impact while maintaining its shape. Steel bead rings are formed with absolute precision. These powerful rings lock the tire securely onto the wheel and maintain its shape under extreme driving conditions. Now the tire takes shape. Advanced robotic systems assemble every layer with millimeter precision, creating what's known as...
Before curing, every green tire undergoes a detailed laser inspection to ensure every layer is perfectly aligned and ready. Inside the curing press, intense heat and pressure permanently strengthen the rubber and create the tire's final tread pattern, transforming it into... After curing, precision robotic tools trim away every tiny imperfection, giving the tire its flawless finish for the final quality. Advanced X-ray and laser systems inspect every internal layer, ensuring each tire meets the highest safety and performance standards. Every tire must survive extreme high-speed performance testing. This proves its strength, stability, and reliability before it reaches the road. After passing every performance test, each tire receives its permanent identification markings, making every product fully traceable.
After passing every quality test, these world-class tires are packed and shipped across the globe, deliver safety, performance, and reliability on millions of roads. From raw rubber to the open road, every tire represents thousands of precision-engineered steps. Like, share, subscribe, and stay with Prime Foundry for